Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Basecamp schedules and to-dos for delivery verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Basecamp and log into your account. Select the relevant project from your dashboard. Navigate to the Schedule tab located on the project page. Review the upcoming deadlines displayed on the schedule. Click on individual tasks to view their details and associated due dates. Make note of any important milestones that need attention. Next, select the To-Dos tab within the project. Review the list of tasks assigned to you or your team. Check off completed tasks to keep the list updated. For any outstanding tasks, confirm their due dates and priorities. Cross-reference the to-do list with the schedule to ensure alignment. Identify any tasks that may impact upcoming deadlines. Communicate with your team if any adjustments are needed. Document any changes in the project notes for transparency. Once you have verified all schedules and to-dos, proceed to follow up with a project update. Ensure that stakeholders are aware of the current status of deliverables. Use Basecamp's message board if additional discussions are required. Periodically review the schedule and to-dos to stay on track. Continue to engage with your team for any further clarifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.